Sudan, the United States, and Colombia have very different but fascinating cultures. In Sudan, life is very peaceful and strongly centered on family and community. People greatly respect less and usually wear traditional long clothes. Social meetings often include tea and pleasant conversations. Religion has a very powerful influence on daily life, clothing, and traditions. Sudanese food is simple but delicious, with tasty bread, beans, and flavorful spice shared in groups. In the United States, the white culture is a measure on many nationalities. People highly value independence and personal time. Friendly celebrations like Thanksgiving and Halloween are very popular. There is a wide variety of religions and freedom of worship, while many people don't practice religion. American food includes famous fast food like hamburgers and hot dogs, as well as delicious barbecue and turkey during celebrations. In Colombia, people are extremely warm and sociable. The country is famous for its excellent traditional festivals, music, dancing, carnivals, which are an important part of daily life. Christianity is the main religion, and faith remains very important for many families. Colombia gastronomy is glamorous and varied, including fantastic dishes like ajiaco, arepas, and bandeja paisa. In conclusion, Sudan has the most traditional and religious culture. The United States has an exciting and modern culture. And Colombia has a joyful, family oriented culture with wonderful traditions.